Log in Telegram without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log in Telegram without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to log in Telegram without phone number, first of all, if it is your own account that you created previously but now you don't have access to your phone number for some particular reason, can you log in? Well, the answer is no, because if you don't have your phone number, according to Telegram, that is not your account. Even if it is your account, if you can't prove the ownership of your account and the identity that account belongs to you, Telegram cannot give you access to someone else's account. And that's simply it. If you don't have the access, you will not be able to go ahead and then log into someone else's account. Now luckily what happens is that if your Telegram account is still logged in on other devices, such as maybe your laptop, maybe you linked it before, and your Telegram account is still logged in on there, whenever you try to log in on a new device, it will send a verification code to those devices, not necessarily your phone number always, but to those devices where your Telegram account is still logged in. So you can check that out if you'd like, and this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically log in Telegram without phone number. But luckily, hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.